Hello friends, welcome to Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today I am here with the topic of how we can prepare, generate reports from Primavera P6 and how we can save the same layout for the next report. For example, we are generating the reports daily, weekly and monthly, and we are setting down the layouts for each report and repeatedly every week or every month or daily. So today I'm here to resolve this matter. So let's move forward to the topic and learn how we can do it. So open the Primavera P6. Here I have just taken out the mining project, dummy project. I have just updated the actuals as per applying the actuals over there. So I have assigned the baseline as well in the project. Over there the baseline has been assigned, the baseline 1 as well and the project baseline as well. So baseline has been assigned. Now how we can, for example, this is the client requirement, which column they want. If you are generating daily report, you want to show there the duration, maybe the original duration or baseline duration. First of all, you have to incorporate column over there after the updating, after the everything. So you can generate each and everything from Primavera, no need to go anywhere else, Excel or somewhere. So if you want the columns, for example here, original duration start, baseline start, finish, baseline finish, and then you are reporting the performance and cost percent complete or units percent complete and performance percent complete. Here the activity percent complete is for just only for the purpose of the updating. So whatever you column you want to incorporate over there, and then we will print out over there and save the same layouts for the purpose. So for example here I want to generate a weekly report and I want the column as well. So let's move forward and incorporate the columns over there. For example, the dates, I want the baseline start and baseline finish as well. So project baseline finish and then project baseline start. Baseline start, this one. Okay, I move it through here. That is applied now. You can see here baseline project start and baseline project finish is there. So what I will do, I will just do here the in the center just for the presentation, apply, and then also for the baseline finish as well, edit column center, okay, apply. So that has been done, but start is not. Do it again, apply and open. So just do it here to see the columns very clearly. Here where it's written the actual start, A is the actual start, you have option to incorporate actual start and actual finish date. If you want to show the client or this is a client requirement, then you have option to do it by the way. So this is the baseline project, you can write it, edit it as a plan start, plan finish. This is the forecast start and forecast finish. When it will be actualized, then this will be become as actual start and actual finish where it is written A. So if you want to incorporate actual start and actual finish columns, you have option to do the as well. So here I will just again go to the columns and do it here, the percent complete. So here see the percent complete column is there. I want to move back the units percent and activity percent complete. I want to incorporate cost percent complete and then cost percent complete, and I want the as well schedule percent complete or schedule percent complete or plant percent complete. Apply and okay. You can see here the cost percent complete and schedule percent complete is there. If you want to move here to there, then you have also option to move it. So I will just manage the columns as well. So columns, I want to this one performance percent as a center, see that is also in center. Schedule percent, I want to edit it, okay, and I want to move at the top, okay, apply and okay. Now you can see schedule percent complete is also there and then cost percent complete is also there. So what else, which column I want to incorporate over there, I just do it here like this way to take the space. So if you want to show the project delays and float, there is a two different things. One is the delay and one is float. For the float, we will incorporate the total float column over there. For example, I will just do it here before there. So I will search from here, where is it located, the float column. Next, total float. Okay, and then I will just incorporate the column variance baseline 1 finish date. This one, when you will see the baseline 1 finish date, it will show you the accurate delay, because from the float that is neglecting the your holidays. So if the calendar is assigned and there is no 7 week a day, then might be this will be difference. And I will just rename the column, edit the column, first of all apply, and then edit column in the center. Okay, then apply, and then I will just do it, edit column, and here I will write the name of the column is a delay. Okay, and then apply. So now you can see here total float is 0 and then delay is also 0. If you want to show like this way, you have option to do that. So how we can print it? If you want to print it with this way is also okay, and you want to show the curve over there, you have option to show the curve as well, and also you have option to print it separately. And how we can save it? Now this our layout has been created, and now I will show here the activity usage profile. Here our curve is there, you can see here, and here if you want to show usage profile options, whatever the cost I want to show, so the cost will be shown like this way. Remaining early, I will just remove the one, I will just put this one and do it the color as any of the color, this one. Okay, and now budgeted, baseline, budgeted, and then actual. Okay, if you want to show those, then you can show. This one is for the bars and the one is for the curve. Okay, apply. You can see here now the bars has been created and generated. Actual is green, yellow, and this one. If you want to show the units, then you can click here, units, labor and non-labor, you have option. First of all, we will do for the cost, and the same method is for the units if you want to print the units. So graph, I will go for the 3D bars, and I want to show the values as well. So if you want to calculate the average, for example here is 3000 or 4000, like this, you can calculate by divided by 10 to see the values over there. Okay, that has been applied. Where is it? Quarter and month calendar. Okay, I will go for the usage profile option, cost and not labor cost, total cost I want to see there. So here you can see the values are also there. Okay, I will come here and just do the zoom out to see where is it, or zoom in to see the values over there, or just see like that. You can see now the values are there. Time scale is our time scale, I want to fit as month per week, I want to set as is it. Okay, apply and okay. Now you can see here the month per week is there and values are also there for the. So how we can print it? Now we are going to print the values, and in the setting out the save the layout. So here I will just go there and layout. First of all, I will save layout as first, then I will say here, for example, weekly report, current user, and for the project also you can save it. So save the as a weekly report template. Whenever you will open the layout, the same things will be open over there. So I will go for the print. You can see here the print preview. I will go for the print preview and go to the page setup. First of all, I have to select the choose the page. I will normally prefer to use the A3 print. So here I will see the A3 size. Here other printers options are available over there. So I will just say here apply. Then it has been applied. I will go to the option activity tables, all column, grid lines if you want to show. Okay, Gantt chart and profile. I will show you how to print separately as well. So I will go there, apply. This is now activity table, and then it is fitting by the 1. So I will go here and do it by the 100. I will just say here 90, maybe 80. Okay, zoom it 80. You can see here that is in 80. And now still I have option to do it by the 70, whatever, how many limit that will be. Whenever you will reduce the section, and then it will show more that this one. Apply, and now I will just go there and just reduce the margins to the 0 0 0 0 and 0 0. Okay, apply. Now I will go there and you can see the page layout is there. So what I will do, I will just say here fit time scale into 1. When I will click there here and then apply, you can see here our layout has been fit into the 1. It will not go ahead from your page. So if you want to give the some margins over there, then maybe 0.10 or 0.5 you can give it the margin 0.5, sorry 0.1, and then also this one is 0.1. okay, from the top all sides whatever you want, 0.1, 1 and same copy from here and paste over there. Okay, apply. Now the little bit margin has been adjusted over there, so apply and okay. So now next is that our, you can see here the layout is there, whatever you want to show there you can show over there. So that now you can see here there is a little gap. Okay, apply. Whenever you will close that, it will be you see here there is a little gap. So what I will do, manage by this way and go again to the print preview, because it is showing us the dates. I will tell you how we will fix it. So here again I will go there and now that has been adjusted. I just adjust that, margins are okay. Now I will go for the header. It's up to you how you can implement the headers and the footers. So I will go there and write here 1.5. I want to incorporate an image in the header. So if you want to do the reports like that, you can write here the project name, project number, and the logos you can incorporate over there. As I have explained in my other tutorial, you can, for the details you can see the tutorial over there. So I will just divide into the 1 and then apply. You can see here now only 1. I will just go there and modify this one, and after the modifying I just go there and browse a image. Before browsing a image, I will close the and remove this one. I will put it to the middle. So okay, and then I will go there and browse images. I just have the images over there. So here I will just put this image or this image, whatever you want to take it, you can take it. I will just take the image, and first time I have to do it manually, I have to set out over there. So I will go like that. Okay, apply. Just see there is a still need to be setting out. So the okay, apply. That is, we have to extend. Okay, apply. First time whenever you will set it, it will be set out for the entire project. So modify again and do it by this way again. So now you can see here the picture has been settled down over there. You can write any thing, your project name, any of your details over there. So in the bottom side, if I go there at the footer, I just want to write here that I need 3 or 4. You can write here your department name, your any of the department name, your report name, report number you can incorporate and divide into the 3, 4, 5, whatever you want, you can divide it. So I will just go there, Gantt chart legends. I want to see here the legends as well. So if I want to go there and I will go into the fonts, and fonts I want to select Arial bold and 8 is okay, apply. Then that will be show like that, and you can divider minimize and maximize by this way. You can divider percentage, apply this one. And for the same images, I will just page number, I will go there and select the Arial bold and 8, okay, apply. That tutorial has been already uploaded, so you can, for the page layout setting and saving printing setup, you can see the tutorial as well. So here is our tutorial. So here I want to write, for example, I want to make the revision number, write the anything I just want here. So what I will do, I will go there. First of all, I will go there and select here the revision box. In the revision box title, for example, updated date, or you can write it weekly report number also here. So updated by planning P6. So here, how much rows you want? I want to delete, I want only 2 rows over there. So here, I will just select the date. For example, is, you can say it November 3rd or November 30th, we are updating, and then revision, revision 0001. So I will just choose the way and then check by, for example, HK, and then approved by this. Okay, you have option to select the font as well. So I will select the font same, bold. Okay, you can change the color, apply, and okay, now you can see here, you can move it by the spacing here in the center, like this way you can move the to the center and applying and see where is it that apply. You can see here the HK, and then I will move the as well to the center. Okay, apply. You can see here that is applied over there. So now how we can do it, print, okay, apply, and okay, now it has been generated. For example, for our weekly report, how many pages that are 31 pages over there. So you can see here whatever the project is over there, you can see here that is 31 pages. So how I can print the S curve on a single page, then I will told you how we can do it. So here you can see our Gantt chart is there. Now I have to do there again and set the page setup and go to the footer has been incorporated. Now I will time scale start. I will just say here the project start, earliest project start, and I want to see the project finish, latest project finish. If you want to apply that project finish, it will show entire Gantt chart in one. If you want to see, for example, the latest project finish date is 1st September, 27th of August 24. So I will write here, if you want to see more than this one, you can just move to the custom date and then go to the 2024, and you can give the 15 days margin over there to just see. And what is our project start date? Start date is 1st of September. So you can also give the custom date 15th of August, custom date. You can select here the current date, current week, current month option, you have to do it. So apply. You can see here now our data date is this one, and now it is showing over there that is a little bit margin from 15th of August to up to the September 15th 2024. I will go activity table, all columns. If you unhide the grid lines, you can see here the grid lines will go away from here. So here apply. If you did not select the Gantt chart will be hidden over there. So I will just unselect the profile. If you select the profile here, then it will go over there by the same page, and we want to print it as a separate page. So I will just unselect the profile and then go there. Gantt chart I will select, apply. You can see here Gantt chart legends are over there, apply, and okay. After the applying okay, I will just click over there. Anyone you can print as a PDF, okay, and I will save on the desktop. For example, weekly 01, okay, save it. It is generating the report now. So report has been generated. You can see here that is opening in the, you can have option to write here your name and everything, and you have option to insert the picture in even in header and footers as well. So you can see our report has been generated over there. So now you can see here that, but without the profile. I will go again in the Primavera and say okay, and I will go to the page setup and open. Whatever will be opened over there, the option will be only visible over there. For example, we did not have option to open the spreadsheet, so that is not opening here, and trace logic is also not there because we did not open in the Primavera. So I will just unselect all and I will select only profile, apply, and okay. Now you can see the profile is visible only over there on the one page. I will print it separately and then combine it. As you see, I have uploaded over there only the dummy resources. So that's why it's showing over there the dummy resources only, because that is the now front loaded curve has been generated. You can see the front loaded as it is, whatever we have mentioned over there, that is here. So I will just print the as well. So okay, give the location the same as a desktop. I will say curve or histogram for the weekly, save it. That has been also generated over there. If you want to see here, you can see here as well the values as well. So okay, and go to the options, and options you can see here profile and footer, header, margins, and that is over there. Apply. Okay, after close, after closing, whenever you will close the, just save the layout view and layout, go to the layout and save the layout after every printout. The whatever the layout has been generated over there, that will be saved automatically, and you have option to see that. As well as you can, if you want to print the manners, and or you want to print with the activities, that spreadsheets, assignments, whatever you want to print it from here as well. And also you have option to print the Gantt chart only from here. For example, I will go there, and if you see here, I will incorporate any of 2 or 3 columns just to show you. Whenever I have applied, okay, apply, the column has been incorporated. Whenever I will go and open the layout, open layout, I will not save the layout, I will open the weekly report layout, apply and open. The same will be show over there, and the layout will be the same whatever we save over there. So before, you have to now go and select the option and print the next report for your other reports, for example monthly, weekly, and etc. So this is the first method how you can generate whatever the desired column for the delay column. That is also I will explain in the next, that how we can show or calculate the delay by the using the global change factor. And also there is a duration reduction. Too many tutorials are still remaining. Hopefully in future you will get time by time all of the tutorials over there, as we are working on the delays videos. So we are busy with that tutorials and some trainings. So whenever you can get it as soon as possible. So that is the way you can rename the project, any of the column. For example, you want to write here the schedule, instead of the schedule percent complete, you can write from here schedule percent complete. If client wants as a plan percent complete, you can say here, right here, plan percent complete, okay, and apply. You can see here plan percent complete. And if you want to show there SPI, CPI, the columns are also available. For example, I will write here only performance. It will take us cost performance index, okay, and then schedule performance index, this one, and then go next to complete performance index, performance that is cost performance index for the labor units, cost variance, schedule performance index for the labor units we want to see by the overall. So I will just move the here after the float, and then also this one as well. So here you can see apply and okay. You can manage it by this way. Our project is in up to the 95%, 0.95 that is a, you can write that instead of writing this value, you can write SPI and CPI and give the abbreviations anywhere. So here I will just write here. You can see original column name is there, schedule percent complete, but for the showing here plant percent complete. So edit column here, I will just write here SPI, okay, and edit column I will just go there and centerize, apply SPI, and this one is just CPI. Whatever column you want to write, manage, there are too many columns over there. You can no need to go anywhere in Excel. You can directly report straight away from here. Columns CPI, edit CPI, okay, and center, okay, apply. You can see here you can manage in all in one. So that is now the report has been generated. Now we will move and see how we can gather the reports. If you are printing the reports from any other, for example, they want only the WBS, so you up to the level 3 you can print it as a WBS level 3. If they want for the filter, for example, I will expand all, and they want only the report for the not started activities or in progress activities or completed activities, they want to see the status. So I will apply the filter here. The filter automatically over there. For example, in the default, in the global, there is a completed filter, critical filter. If you want to see the critical filter, then in progress activities are also there, level of effort activities are also there, and you can save the separate layout. For example, I will just say here the longest path. I will apply over there. The activities on longest path will be only show over there, otherwise only other WBSs are there. So here you can see the activities are on the longest path is this activity, and I want to save the layout and I want to print the activity only the longest path. What I will do, I will go here and save layout as well, weekly report, and then longest path, LP longest path, whatever you want to write, you will write, save it. Whenever you want to see the longest path, you will be just open it will be open. If you want to implement the critical path, you can also have the critical path filter here and then apply. You can also copy that as well. You can see here the critical path activities is also same. For example, I want to take the completed activities, so that filter I want to save the completed activities. Okay, then save here the view layout and save layout as. You can see here weekly report, completed activities, completed. Okay, save it. That will be separate layouts will be, you can save it over there. So here, and also if you want to the not started, normal activities, not started activities, in progress and completed status are over there. If you want to see the 2 weeks ahead, look ahead plan, you can just click here and then the save layout over there by this way. And if you want to, for example, I will just apply that one. You can see here the 2 weeks look ahead is there. I will just write here the 2 weeks instead of the 1 month, 2 weeks, 2W. You can write here, okay, and then apply, and okay. Now it is showing us the 2 weeks look ahead, but we have to see here first of all in the filters, which filters is applied. 2 weeks look ahead, we are removing to the completed filter, apply. So the next 2 week look ahead, it is showing us where is it, the activities in which are planned by the next 2 weeks is this one, this activity only. Other activities are not planned in the next 2 weeks, so that activity is only in progress, has been planned. So how we can do it? So what we will do, I will just save here. I will just remove the columns, some of the columns. I want just original duration, I don't want in the look ahead, total float, okay, delay maybe, okay, I don't need that as well. So for example, if you want to see the activity status over there in progress, then we will incorporate activity status to just say it is completing or starting in the next status. Okay, fine. Next, project status, get status, activity status, I will incorporate over there, close, and then I will just apply, edit column, center, okay, apply. So here you can see activity status, if it is centralized, okay, okay. So where I am there, so the activity has to start in progress. This activity is in progress. So what we will write over there, that activity might be your project is too big and there are too many activities, or this is a dummy project that has been, I have just run it, the project has been completed in 2017 or 18. So I have taken the project and just move it forward, and same as it is, just clear your concept. So here not started, what I will do, I will just save the layout as a look ahead. So I will say here 2 weeks look ahead. So this will be my layout. Whenever I will open the layout, this will be open and with the filter. For example, I will just go here, open. I want to see here, for example, view layout, open layout. I just want to open the for example, weekly report. This will show, and then I will show here the look ahead. Straight away I will go, the filter will be over there. So 2 weeks look ahead, apply. You can see that it has been changed and you can print straight away. That is one thing. And now how we can see the status of the another system, how we can see it. I will just remove the filters, or I will just go to the layout on the weekly report layout. I will just open the layout instead of inserting the columns. So this way the filter will be removed, everything will be removed from here. For example, I want to see from here any of the period. I will just click here and select this period has been selected. That is our time scale. You can, if you want to, by the this is weekly. If you want daily, monthly, or 2 weeks, then just select by the shift and 2. The activities will show on only for the selected columns. only for the selected time period. For example, I will select this one. Now the activities will show which are in progress, completed, or within the time period. So this will be our plan for that. You can use the as well the look ahead. You can see from the first week of that, and now you can see from here the activity status and print it as it is. So secondly, we will go to the resources. If we want to print out the resources, that are the project resources. If I want to print the resources the same, I have option to do the same way, same method. I can do it page setup, you can do it, and go to the options and grid lines and icons. You can show everything, you can manage by this way. And you don't have option to save the layout for this resources. And for the resource assignment, first of all we will go and do the combine the report. If you are doing for the report for the weekly, monthly, these are now our two copies which we have generated. So right click over there, and maybe you can install the Nitro PDF printer. It is easy to use. I will just say here show more option. I will just give him to the combine files with the Nitro Pro or any of the printer. If you are using any of the printer, you can use it by the way. So here you can see here combine file with the Nitro Pro. I will just combine file here. You can see the file is there. I will just move to the move right, okay, and create. Okay, I will save the same. Untitled is okay. You can see here now the report is there, and if I go to the last page, the report is combined. Now you can combine any of the document by this way. So I will close the, and also you have option to protect that as well. For example, in the Nitro Pro, I will open in the Nitro Pro, open with Nitro Pro, and I will go there, and any of the here watermark, we can do any of the watermark, apply draft watermark. You can see you can put your company logo to protect that, and you can fix it within that to protect that. For example, I will go and there, and then edit watermarks. I will just click here, and now you can see here page 16, and now standard horizontal color, no color, color red color. I just want to by this color. If you want to write any of the uh, writing, so do it by the 100, so maximum 72. So apply on the all pages or one which pages you want. Preview on this one. Rotation, I will say just 0. And opacity, if you want to see the 100%, whatever you can see, underlay, overlay, whatever you want to select, save it. After the selecting, you can see here that is there. You can also put the logos, anything over there without disturbing your schedule to save your copyright options over there. So that is first, and now we will move to how we can generate resource assignment by the different ways and different time periodically. Resources for the labor, non-labor, we have too many resources, and we have issues with the printing of the resource assignment, how we can do it. So here I will open the resource assignment. Here you can see the resource assignment default is open over there. So what I will do as I will just go there and filter. You can see is only material resources are showing over there. I will remove the filter, apply, and okay. Now all resources are showing over there, because that total is not showing because of the there are different unit of Myers over there. So here I will go the group and sort and customize. If I want to see here on by the resource type, for example, I will do the resource type here. Search the resource type. Where is it? Resource type is there. I want to see by this way, and also I want to shrink the vertical grouping band. Okay, and I want to show the grant total over there and summarize also. So here you can see resource type labor, and then other is apply and okay. If I see here material, and then other is non-labor resource wise, you can print it by the open and also close as well. And you can have option to group and sort. Now you can save the layout, same layout by this way as well. If I want to open any of the layout, I can open from here. This is one of I have prepared as a WBS wise. I will just open that as well. So you can see here the all WBS wise resources are showing over there, but total is not there because some of the resources are using the other unit of Meyer over there. So that's why it is not showing. I will just show here time scales, and then weekday 1 I will just do the weekly, monthly, whatever you want to take. okay, apply, and okay. Now you can see here the weekly our unit of measure is there. So these are budgeted units. If you want to see the units, print the units, actual units, budgeted units, and remaining early units, you can customize from here. For example, time intervals, cost, actual cost, overtime cost, whatever you want, print from here. You can select here. Financial period values are there, then units are there. You can see here all of them. You can print from here any of the selecting by the selecting this way, and also you can cumulatively you can select that way. And whenever you will select from here, for example, I will say here the actual units, and then it will show the actual units over there. So these are now my actual units over there. So if I want to select here from, for example, budget units, then you have option to select actual units and cost. If I want to select the cost over there, so I will just select the budget cost and remove the actual units, apply, and okay. You can see here this is now our budget cost. This way you can see now total it is showing over there. So labor and non-labor it is accumulating, that's why it is not showing over there. If you want to see only the labor units over there, then for example I will go there and see here the budget units only, and I want to filter that there is not total. I will just create a filter where the resource type is equal to labor or non-equal to non-labor. So labor, apply, now it will show over there. If you want to see there, it is accumulating over there. And also for the non-labor, whenever you will select the non-labor, that will show here. So that is the way how we can create reports, and the same way we can print it. First you have to, if you want to print you can print it, and you have option to add the more columns over there. For example, percent complete, codes, standard, and you want to do it by the activity wise, group and sort by activity. You can see the activity wise resources. First of all, that will be the activity name, then the resources. So you can see by the activity wise as well. And if you want to see that, first of all the resource type, then WBS, and then resource name, and then any of the thing, you have option to customize by this way. For example, I will do here the, first of all I want to write here the project. I want to buy the project. I will select here the project, this one project, and then add one more. Then here I want to see here the resource type. I want to select here the resource type. Then I want to see the WBS wise, WBS, okay, apply. Now you can see here the labor, and then the project name, then project, for example this one, resource type is a labor, then WBS is this one, and then apply over there. If you open it, that is now open over there. So WBS wise you can see it here, the resources as per the WBS. Now that is the activities. So for example, if you want to change the colors, you can change, and also in the group and sort you have option to change any of the color. For example, you want to give it this one, okay, apply, writing, anything you can do it by this way. Group and sort by your desired format, you can print it easily. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful for you peoples, how we can print the reports from Primavera, resource assignments, and many other functions. You can explore it. If you have any issue by creating any of the filter from the resource assignment, because this is a little bit tricky, if you have any issue, let us know and we will help you by creating a filter over there. And also whenever we will create the filter, we will share with you. You have to just only incorporate, for example, for the activity also, and for the resource assignment also, we will export the filter which we prepared for you, export the filter, and then you can simply import the filter. The same filter will be apply over there. Let us know if you need any help. Please like, share, and comment on our tutorials. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.